Have you ever wondered how your brain lets you think, feel, and experience the world? It's one of the most mysterious and powerful organs in your body. Today, let's take a peaceful journey inside the human brain and uncover how it truly works. Your brain looks like a soft, wrinkled walnut, weighing just about 3 pounds. But inside, it holds more power than the world's fastest computers. It's made up of billions of tiny cells called neurons, each neuron sending and receiving messages like little messengers. These neurons connect to form networks, and these networks form different parts of your brain. Imagine neighborhoods in a busy city, each one handling something special. The cerebrum, the biggest part, helps you think, solve problems, and feel emotions. The cerebellum, at the back, helps you balance and move smoothly. And deep inside, the brainstem keeps you alive by controlling breathing, heartbeat, and digestion, things you don't even have to think about. Now, how does your brain communicate? Through electrical signals and chemicals called neurotransmitters. Every thought you have, every smile, every memory is a spark of electricity traveling between neurons. These messages fly through your brain at lightning speed, helping you make decisions, recognize faces, and even dream while you sleep. Let's say you're eating your favorite food. First, your senses, like taste and smell, send information to the brain. Then, your thinking areas process that feeling of joy. And finally, your memory center, the hippocampus, stores that happy moment so you can smile about it later. Or when you're scared, your brain's amygdala triggers a warning. Your body reacts fast, getting ready to run or defend yourself, all in just a fraction of a second. But here's something amazing. Your brain is always changing. This is called neuroplasticity. Every time you learn something new, your brain rewires itself, making new connections. This means you can improve your memory, learn new skills, or adapt after difficult experiences. Your brain grows with you. So, your brain is not just an organ, it's the core of who you are, a living network of thoughts, feelings, and dreams. Take care of it, and it will help you experience the beauty of life in ways beyond imagination. Thank you for joining this peaceful journey inside your own mind. Stay curious and keep learning.